He'll tell us more on what is trending today in the internet. But as I mentioned, the High Court sitting in Nakuru is expected to give directions in a petition filed by Kituo Sheria seeking for political aspirants and political parties to be barred from conducting campaigns ahead of the official campaign commencement period of May 29th. Ibrahim Karanja joins us now live from Nakuru. Good morning, Ibrahim. Good to see you.
Good morning, Dibal. Good to see you too. Now, whether or not this will be implementable, even if the High Court gives direction, is a complete different thing altogether. Remember, on the 20th of January this year, the IEBC, via Gazette Notice 430, actually gave a notice of election, of a general election, and in that particular Gazette Notice, it also stated the official campaign period, which should be starting on the 29th of May and ending on the 6th of August this year. That is according to the IEBC. And that is the reason as to why Kituo Sheria on the 8th of April, that is a couple of days ago, decided to file a petition at the High Court to seek to stop all political parties and political aspirants from conducting any campaigns until such a time when the official campaign period will have started. Remember, according to Kituo Sheria, they are citing several incidences in which political campaigns, oral campaigns, have led to, say, violence. And two, they are also stating that early campaigning has really hurt the economy in terms of tourism, in terms of people being able to work and earn money for themselves, and even citing the words that have often been used by President Uhuru Kenyatta, that it is not right to continue campaigning. Just about to give you a brief overview of that particular petition that was filed yesterday and today, expected Justice Sheria Madheka, the High Court in Nakuru, is expected to give direction, is that Kituo Sheria is the petitioner in this particular case, and the defendants include the IEBC, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, the Attorney General, and the Inspector General of Police. And at the same time, in the petition, political parties have been listed as interested parties in this particular petition. They are the United Democratic Alliance, UDA, ODM, Jubilee Party, ANC, Wiper, and KANU. Arguably, the big parties in the country have been listed as the interested parties. Of course, owing to the fact that it is the political parties and their aspirants who are advancing campaigns for the interest or for the purposes of the August 9th general election. According to Kituo Sheria, of course, represented by Senior Counsel Dr. John Haminwa, that this is wrong. And today, later on today, Justice Sheria Madheka will be expected to give directions. Kituo Sheria is stating that political parties and their candidates are in alleged violation of provisions of the law. And I'll quote, they are quoting that the candidates who are campaigning right now and the political parties which are campaigning right now are in alleged contravention of 1, the Constitution of Kenya, 2, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, 3, the Elections Act of 2011, the Elections Regulations and Leadership and Integrity Act. All this, according to Kituo Sheria, the political parties and their candidates have violated, and that is what they expect the court to give a ruling today. They filed their petition under certificate of urgency. We will see today whether Justice Sheria Madheka will certify that particular suit as urgent and what further directions she will be giving. And according to Kituo Sheria, several cases have been noted as to why they feel that early campaigns are not desirable for the country. They have actually stated that attack on Nairobi woman representative Esther Passaris in Westlands a couple of days ago. Actually, to quote the exact date, that Esther Passaris was attacked on the 28th of March 2022 in Westlands while campaigning. They state that that was endangering the life of the people and also the life of the candidates, and actually a more reason as to why these campaigns should not be held. They are also quoting an incident at Tononoka grounds on the 20th of February when supporters of Mvita Member of Parliament Abdul Somad Sharif Nasir and Mombasa gubernatorial hopeful Suleiman Shabal clashed in a political event, stating again that that is another sign that early campaigns are not supposed to be conducted. They are still stating that we are still at the threat of COVID-19, and a long continued campaigning process actually endangers the lives of Kenyans. Thus, they are seeking the intervention of the court to declare and to actually rule that campaigns at this time should not be held, and that all political parties and all political aspirants should wait for the official campaign period of 29th of May to the 6th of August 2022, and that is again between 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Dibal.
Right. A very comprehensive reporting there from Ibrahim Karanja. Of course,